Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mech Waves. In this video, we're going to see the construction of parabola by using rectangle method. So this method is also similar to the ellipse method, oblong method for drawing an ellipse. I have did a video on that. I'll place the link in the description box so you can watch that. So that is also similar to this method. So here the question will be asked like this: construct a parabola considering the major axis as 100 mm and minor axis as 80 mm using rectangle method. So here it is given the major axis and minor axis. Taking the major and minor axis, construct a rectangle. So this is the major axis, this is equal to 100 mm, and this is the minor axis which is equal to 80 mm. So mark the rectangle as A, B, C and D. Next, take a center point of AB line and draw a line EF. So this is the line EF which is drawn from the center point of AB line. The first step, construct a rectangle and divide into two parts like this. The next step you have to do is divide AD into equal number of divisions. So the equal number of divisions is up to you. So you can divide into 3, 4, 5, 7, something like that. So but the divisions must be equal. So follow the equal division method, which I have did a video on that. So watch that video. Divide AD into equal number of divisions. Here I have divided the line AD into 4 equal parts, and also divide AD into the same number of divisions as AD. Here AD is divided into 4 parts, so divide AE also into 4 equal divisions. If you have taken AD of 5 parts, divide AE also into 5 parts. The number of divisions on AD should be equal to AE. Now draw lines from F to all these points. So join F and 1, F1, also join F2 and F3. Now draw straight lines from 1, 2, 3 such that these lines will meet the lines 1, 2, 3 over here. So draw a vertical line passing from point 1 and it should intersect the first line, and from 2 draw a vertical line which should meet the second line, and draw a vertical line from 3 which should meet the third line like this. So mark it as P1, P2 and P3. So in the same way, mark the points in this side also. Now join F1, F2, F3. Again draw a vertical line from 1 and it should touch the first line. Again from 2 draw a line passing from 2 which should touch the second line, and draw a line passing from point 3 which should touch the third line. So and mark these points as P4, P5 and P6. Now join all these intersecting points from A. Initially draw the curve with a H pencil. After that you can highlight it with a HB pencil. This is the curve obtained by joining all the points. So this is the method for drawing parabola using a rectangular method. So similarly you can draw a parabola using parallelogram method. So it is also just similar to this, and it is also similar to the parallelogram method which is used to draw an ellipse. So if you want that, I'll place the link in the description box. The procedure for drawing a parallelogram using of ellipse using parallelogram is equal to the method for drawing parallelogram using for parabola also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.